Hello, thank you for joining me today. Today, I'm in the kitchen because I'm making, or attempting to make, some kind of version of the Dots pretzels because those are delicious and I don't have any. But I'm about to have some version of them perchance. So, first, let's talk about what you're gonna need. One of the things that you are supposed to have, according to the recipe from Pinterest that I found, that I will link below, is dill weed. I don't have that, and I don't feel like buying it, so I'm not gonna use it. We'll see if it makes a difference. Make sure you have your measuring cups, a plastic bag. Also, you're gonna need an oven and a cookie sheet, as well as the following ingredients. First, I'm gonna wash my hands because I didn't do that yet actually. Next, I'm gonna take all of my ingredients and I'm gonna put them in this bag. I'm gonna take 1/3 of a cup of this popcorn oil. Oh, I got it all over my arm. Okay. I'm gonna get paper towels. Then I'm gonna shake that. Then I need 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Oh, we never opened this one. And then the whole packet of ranch seasoning. Now I'm gonna shake it. Okay, and then I'm supposed to let the bag sit for 20 minutes, but I'm supposed to turn the bag every 5 minutes. So I do that like 4 times. 5 minutes and then turn, and then 5 minutes and then turn, and then 5 minutes and then turn, and then 5 minutes and then turn. Okay, so now they were sitting for 20 minutes. I turned the bag every 5 and I spread them out of this pan, which I sprayed with olive oil. I don't know if I was supposed to do that, but I did. The Pinterest recipe says to use parchment paper, but I don't have that, so I didn't use any because I don't have any. Now they're gonna go in the oven, and every 10 minutes, you're supposed to mix them. So they go in the oven for 40 minutes and then you mix them every 10. So. All right, so those are out of the oven. I let them cool for like the time it took me to do some Legos. And I have a plate here. Whoops, I lost one. Give me a little taste test. Let's see. Those are pretty good. I don't know if they're exactly Dot's level. And for some reason the pretzels kind of taste stale. A little bit, but good flavor, good stuff. Well, I'm gonna go eat all of these and do something super productive. All right, I'm gonna go binge watch The Office. All right. If you like some of this awkward cooking stuff, then let me know by liking and subscribing, and I'll bring you some more of that. Also, if there's a project or a recipe or some kind of something that you want me to try and film, let me know. I'll give you a shout out to my 2 followers. Just kidding, I'm up to 13 subscribers. All right, have a great whatever you're having.